Ready to unlock the secrets to PTE success and conquer the Retell Lecture section? Let's dive into how you can absolutely smash the Retell Lecture in PTE, step by step. First, listen carefully to the lecture. You'll hear an audio clip usually about 3,040 seconds long. This is your prime opportunity to take notes. Use a note-taking strategy. Focus on keywords, main ideas, and, crucially, the relationship between them. Think about how those ideas connect instead of writing everything down. Use abbreviations and symbols to save time. Remember to note the topic as well. Now you've got a 40-second window to deliver your response. The most important aspect of the Retell Lecture: structure your response. Start with a general statement introducing the topic. Then, mention the key points you noted, using linking phrases like "the speaker highlighted" or "furthermore, the lecture discussed." These expressions help structure your flow, make you sound more confident. Conclude by summing up the main idea. Lastly, practice consistently using these techniques. Record yourself, evaluate your performance, and identify areas for improvement. Make sure to record your voice clearly and ensure the microphone is closer to your mouth. With the right approach, you can nail that Retell Lecture and boost your PTE score. Good luck!